Hello everybody, it is Grange Head Teacher Video Assembly 12th of October 2020. This is for year 3 and 4, lower key stage 2. Proud of you. Here's the CC way. You can see your character is your strength. That's true strength. When who you are, you build yourself and develop yourself to be the best person that you can be, the best character that you can be. And it's like planting a tree, because if you're learning and you're developing yourself, well, then you are on the way to a great future. You know who I am, Mr. Kerbal, your head teacher. Proud to be your head teacher. Proud of all of you at our wonderful Grange Primary School. What are we aiming for? Well, we want everybody at Grange to have a great caring attitude. Everybody, we all really should be trying our best. We're always learning, especially from our mistakes. We're not scared to make mistakes. We make mistakes, we learn from them, and we improve and we progress. And we use our education to help us to learn, to make great choices as we go along in life, and we don't give up. So remember last week we spoke about wisdom. And I'll just do a quick recap. What is wisdom? So if you remember, we spoke about wisdom as it being when you, no, it's not just about being clever or intelligent. It's about when you really use everything that you know, all your knowledge, all your intelligence, all your experience, all your thinking, you put that all together and you use that to make really good choices, because you really think about what you're doing. That's wisdom. You make really good choices. Now, one of the character strengths which make up wisdom, so that's love of learning. If you can make yourself healthy and work on being healthy. So if you look at yourself and you say, I want to really develop my love of learning, I want to be good at really loving learning, that really helps you to build your wisdom. If you build your wisdom, then you're going to be able to make great choices. So it's like building muscles over here. You really need to exercise. So here's a nice image, and I use this image for love of learning. So stop the video over here, pause a little bit, have a conversation. What does it mean to love learning? What is love of learning? What does that look like? Have a bit of a discussion. Okay, everybody, so I'm hoping that you've discussed what does it mean, love of learning, and how can you develop that so that you can develop your powers of wisdom, which will give you great character strength. Well, do you remember last week we said it's not good enough to just talk about things. We need to kind of think of ways that we can actually do things to make them really turn into action. So remember there are 3 powerful wisdom actions. We said if we're discussing something with somebody, if we're talking to somebody, or if somebody's teaching us or talking to us, we listen without interrupting. We focus on the present. We really try and think about what's going on, and not just sort of like dream about other things. We say, well, right, I'm in a lesson. I need to make the most of this lesson. Let me really listen to my teacher. Let me really think about what I'm supposed to be doing, my task. And we also said, even if you disagree, let's say you're having a conversation with somebody and you're talking about your opinions about something, and even if you disagree with somebody else, you still respect them, because that way we can really know, okay, this is my opinion, but you can respect other people's opinion, and then you can become wise and really know how to live a good life considering everybody else. So, love of learning. So you can see some images over here. It says Holy Bible. One of the books in the Bible is the book of Psalms. And on the top, you can see this. Well, this is a famous sculpture. The sculpture's name is actually quite funny, because if anybody knows Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, one of the turtles has the same name as this artist. The artist who made this sculpture was called Michelangelo, and this is his sculpture of David. And David was, if you know the Bible story, well, he was the one who beat the giant Goliath, who was trying to attack them, even though he was just a small boy, but he used his wisdom and everything he knew to be able to win his battle. He used his character. And later on, he grew up and he became a king. And he was a great king. Now, the Talmud is an ancient book of Jewish learning. And they said King David was the greatest at love of learning. And the reason they said that is they said because he didn't act like I'm the king, I'm the greatest, I've got nothing to learn from anybody else. In fact, they said King David, when he used to go walking in the streets of his capital, and even though he had his bodyguards around everybody, if he walked past a school and a child came out, he would say to the child, "What did you learn today?" He was really interested. He wanted to know, what did the child learn? And sometimes people said, "What are you doing? You're the king. Or what do you need to talk to just a child for? How are you going to learn anything from that child?" And he said, No. You can always learn. If you listen to anybody, it doesn't matter who they are. If you listen and if you open yourself up and you're ready to learn, you can learn from any opportunity and anybody. So that's how the Talmud says King David, he showed people you can be the king, you can be the most powerful person. You should love learning, and that helps you to really build your wisdom. So here are 3 powerful love of learning actions we can all practice. And that is, number 1, exactly the word I just said, is practice your learning. So let's say you're learning a musical instrument, or let's say you're learning a skill for sports, or let's say you learned a new math skill. If you practice and practice and practice, and you just really love doing the practicing and you love your learning, that will help you to really build your love of learning skill, and it will help you to build your wisdom. If you revise your learning, now this is homework, so revise means don't just learn it once, go over and over and over it. So you might learn it in class, but then you got homework on it, and that's an opportunity to do revision, to revise. That's loving learning, and that means your learning sticks in your head. And number 3, be ready to learn at any opportunity. Just like King David, he didn't say to himself, "Oh, I'm the king, I'm the cleverest person, I'm the wisest, I'm the most powerful." Anybody he met, he was just like, "I'm really interested in talking to you because I just want to learn." So we know the Grange CC way. We want everybody to be confident, want you to look out for yourself and to be proud of yourself and to care about yourself. You are confident. And we want you to be considerate, care about the world around you, care about other people around you, do well in your life for yourself and for others. And you can do that by Grange CC lining up, the way that you line up. If you stand and you're ready and you do what you're supposed to be doing, and you do CC walking the right way and you care about yourself, so you know where you're going and you go there without messing around or wasting time, and you walk tall, confident, but also you're considerate. You don't make a noise, you keep quiet, because you know it's our school, people are learning, and we want to be proud of our school, because we are proud of our school, because our school is a great school. So that's CC walking. Stars of the week, who had gold? Hasunat, brilliant, and Rocky Sun, fantastic. There's gold for you, well done. Grange House of Water had a whopping 2,396 points. These are big numbers. Well done, everybody. Olivia, fantastic, 21 points. Brilliant. Khalif, 21 points. Simina, 22. Amir, 22. Alana, 22. Maya, 24. Dima, 26. Atif, 27. Ryan, 29. Natalia, 31. Louisa, 33. Bassett, 35. Ashvini, 44. Irfan, 44. Logan, 45. Joseph, 46. Brilliant. House of Water. House of Fire, 2,298 points. Brilliant. Well done. Leo with 19. Aitan, 20. Maria, 20. Ramanula, 20. Pasha, 20. Zuhal, 20. Joshua, 21. Majid, 23. Eric, 23. Hasunat, 24. Avi, 24. Daria, 24. Jahim, 25. Well done. Yasmin, 27. Well done. Ruel, 27. Jalal, 31. Dolly, 31. Pfizer, 31. Adam, 34. Well done. Tiago, 34. Great. Branchika, 41. Laurentiu, 41. Great work. Rocky-san, 61. Emeld, 80. Proud of you. Well done, everybody. Great work, Emeld. Grange House of Air, that's 2,038 points. That's brilliant. Matter 19, Great Hassanein 19, Walid 20, Ibrahim 21, Maria 22, Daria 23, Sophia 23, Mustafa 24, Yasin 29, Tamid 32, Diana 37, Nikki 44. Well done. And here is the Grange House of Earth. 2,583 points. Amazing. Renessa 19. Great work. Sammy 19. Hussein 19. Afsa 20. Alexandra 21. Riola 22. Sharia 22. Vanessa 23. Vladu 23. Justina 24. Well done. Anj 25. Abdul Qadir 26. Tasnim 26. Asia 27. We're still in the Grange House of Earth. Well done. Jacob with 29. Hussein 31. Nihara 33. David 33. Abu 33. That's great work. Sanuja 34. Nur 38. Maria 44. That's a great work. So the whole Grange community, 9,315 points. That's our record. We have never done that in a week. So brilliant, whole Grange community. That is just brilliant. And who were the champion class contributions? Well done to Seco class, 370 points. Well done to Ennis class with 571 points. Wow. Well done to Holmes class for 726 points. And our champions are Lister class with 786 points. Well done, everybody. That means that we have got 26,446 points. Our goal was 21,000 points. We've done that with 2 weeks to go. So get ready, Freddie, because we said if we hit 21,000 points, Freddie is going to send a video message. And because we're doing so brilliantly with 21,000 points, we're on 27,000 already with 2 weeks to go. Well, Freddie said he's going to come and visit the champion classes for contribution. So let's make that happen. Get ready, Freddie. Be great, be Grange. Live your lives with confidence and consideration. Enjoy the week ahead. Be safe and happy. Let's learn together. Let's respect each other. Let's achieve our potential. Let's be great. Let's be Grange.